Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the clock app because this is the only built-in way to set an iPhone alarm. Tap Alarm at the bottom, then press the plus button to create a new alarm. Pick the exact time, toggle AM or PM, and select repeat days if you need a recurring alarm. Once done, adjust the label so you know why it rings and pick a sound. This helps you recognize the alarm quickly without unlocking. Now configure how the alarm behaves so it reliably wakes or reminds you. Tap Sound to choose a ringtone or vibration. Louder tones and distinct melodies reduce snooze temptation. Make sure to enable or disable snooze depending on whether you want repeat interruptions. Add a clear label describing the purpose. This is why you won't ignore it. Once configured, check the volume and do not disturb settings. Save the alarm and verify it shows in the list with the toggle turned on. This confirms the system will trigger it. Make sure your ringer volume is up because the alarm uses the ringer volume. Adjust in Control Center. Also check focus or do not disturb settings and make sure bedtime alarms are managed correctly. If the alarm doesn't sound, reboot the phone, check for iOS updates, and recreate the alarm. These steps fix most silent alarm issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.